Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you how to charge your laptop. So in order to charge it, you have to plug in the charging cable from your AC adapter into one of the two USB Type-C ports on the right edge of your computer. So here you got two of them. Just enter the charging cable into one of them and you will see the power indicator glowing, which means that your laptop is being charged. I recommend only using the original charging plug and cable with this laptop. The original one looks like this. Let me show it to you. So here it is. Here's what it looks like. Here's the specifications if you need to know them. And if you're using a substitute, then I recommend only using the charging AC adapters that can provide your device with at least 65 watts of power. Anything less than that will simply be not enough for your device to charge. And I also recommend you using only using charging AC adapters from reputable, reliable sources, because cheap AC adapters can also break your battery and your laptop in general. So please don't buy any cheap adapters for your laptop. Instead, use a reputable, reliable ones, and that's basically it. That's how you charge your computer. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.